Hi everyone, this is a review on the Playgro 0184557 Bendy ball for baby, infant, toddlers and children. Now, Playgro is one of my favourite brands. I love that they're dedicated to engineering imagination with STEM. So STEM stands for science, technology, engineering and mathematics for a bright future, making this toy a great start for a world of learning. Now, we've been using this item for roughly 9 months now, and it's quickly become one of my daughter's favourite toys. I like to use this toy to keep my baby focused. When she was starting to sit up and during tummy time, I'd use this to focus on the left and the right to get her attention. It's perfect when your baby is starting to sit up. My daughter loves rolling it around and exploring its flexible structure. Some of the features are truly impressive. I like how the texture is bendy. That's where it got its bendy ball name. It's got a soft, flexible design that's perfect for those little hands to grasp and to squeeze. Its bright and multicolored design instantly captures my baby's attention, promoting visual stimulation, and the rattling bead inside the ball provides auditory feedback, which my baby finds fascinating. The open design makes it easy for the babies to develop their hand and eye coordination and fine motor skills. Now, one of the reasons I like this product so much is its versatility. The ball's flexible structure is safe for chewing, for when your baby starts to teeth, and the combination of the bright colours and various textures and rattling sounds ensures that it keeps my baby entertained for longer periods. Additionally, it's nice and lightweight. It's easy to clean, making it a practical choice for busy parents. My experience with this so far has been extremely positive. My daughter loves the different textures and sounds of the bendy ball. It's durable and is held up well with the consistent use and teething. It's also very easy to clean, which I mentioned before, and it's essential for any baby toy. The bendy ball is an excellent multi-purpose toy that provides sensory stimulation, helping with teething and encourage the development of fine motor skills. If you're looking for a safe, engaging toy for your infant or toddler, this is a fantastic choice.